Krishna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you watch my previous video to know what is this YouTube is gonna be all about. So yeah, today's video is about food. We are gonna make cheesy chicken fritters. Yes, once you try it, you wanna try it again and again because the recipe is not hard and it's super delicious. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into the video. First of all, you need 200 grams of boneless chicken. Then get yourself a cutting board and a knife. Start cutting your chicken into small dices. You want your chicken to be roughly this small. Now continue dicing all the chicken. Once all of your chicken are diced, get a mixing bowl. Transfer your diced chicken into that bowl. Now let's add a third cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. If you want more cheesy, you can add more cheese. 1 egg, a third cup of mayonnaise, a third cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of parsley. Mix them partially. Then season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. This time, combine them well. Now you have to refrigerate it for minimum 1 hour. If you want your chicken fritters to be more juicy, you can extend your time. In meanwhile, let's make AIOLI dip to be served with cheesy chicken fritters later. You can also serve them with mayonnaise, but for me, I prefer AIOLI dip. For this, you need 1 clove garlic. Remove the skin and mince the garlic. Set that minced garlic aside. Get a small bowl and add a third cup of mayonnaise. Then add the minced garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then season it with black pepper for taste. This is actually optional. Combine them together. And transfer it to a container to be served later. Once you're ready to fry them, place a pan over medium heat and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is ready to cook, add the mixture by scooping them. You can pat them down using the back of the spoon. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now flip it and saute it until it's golden brown. Once the fritters is cooked, you can take it and put it in place to be served. Repeat the process until all of your mixtures is finished. So yeah, here's your delicious cheesy chicken fritters. You can serve the cheesy chicken fritters with aioli dip. Let's try it. Trust me, it's super delicious. So yeah, that was the recipe about cheesy chicken fritters with aioli dip. I guess you enjoyed it. You will get the ingredients in my description box below. So let me know in the comment section below if you gave it a try or you will be giving it a try. My parents and my siblings love it. Let me know what you think about it. That's it for today's video. For those who are new to my channel, make sure you don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right next to it to get more recipes. And also give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. So yeah, see you in the upcoming videos. Till then, bye.